Welcome to PLC in Action YouTube channel. Today we will see the what are the it's not interesting, but it's my observation in the PN coupler. So I just make this video for some kind of small kind of hint for the using the PN coupler, so that it will be useful for someone. Okay, because it's I thought it's interesting small stuff, so it is useful for the PLC programmers, and then even for someone want to troubleshoot the existing program, that also helpful. Okay, so normally you guys maybe know you know what where we are using the PN coupler. Normally we will use as a gateway for that. If you want to use two different IT sorry I mean IP address networks, if you want to communicate between two different IP address families via this gateway as a PN coupler, we can able to communicate between two Siemens PLCs. Okay, that's a way we are using normally. Okay, in the PN coupler, normally we will use whatever I can show you. Okay, normally you can use in the how much you want in the for each side, like how much data you want to send, how much you want the data to be received. Normally you will configure the transfer mapping side. Okay, so like I just mentioned, 16 bytes sending, we 16 bytes we are receiving. For in our case, like example, I just configured 100 as a my input address. Okay, in this case, my 100.0, it means my first bit 0, right? Today I was just in the existing one of the site. I just went to check that one, my 100.0, it means my bit number 0, it was always on, even though inside the my program it was not used. Okay, in the my side, okay, either in the other side of the program also they are not used their output of bit 0. It means I'm also not used my output q0 q100.0, so that the partner will okay we partner side also they are not used. Okay, it means either side we have not used our output, so we will not get the input as 100 0.0. There is no thing, right? But it's wrong. We are getting always 1 in the bit number 0. We was wonder how it is happening, because the either side is not programmed the output bit number 0, but how we are receiving the input bit number 0. Then we are a little bit confused why it's what happening. Then I found something in the manual. It was an interesting one. That's why I sharing this video. Okay, in the properties, you just click the advanced options. Sorry, in the model parameters, you can see the data validity display DIA. This is the option will play the this important role. You can see the bit number 0, 1 received are valid. All the data informants are said to be good. It means if the data validity display DEA is enabled, it means bit number 0 will be act as the validation bit of the other side. Example, if you are getting bit number 0 is 1, it means other side of your PNPN coupler, okay, that side is okay, there is no error, the signal you are getting is validated. Okay, if the if you are the other side of the bit, if you are bit number 0, okay, the bit number 0 means you are not getting, okay, then the problem of the other side, it may be the faulty PN coupler, it may be the failed one, or in the stop mode at the stop state. Even the cable, okay, the device state is showing okay, but the programming way you can get the validation. It's a good thing to show us a further diagnostic. Okay, even before the what to say that normally we can show us a device status via Profibus node, we can read the status, then we'll show there is a problem. Okay, even though the communication okay, it will show, but you can before you can easily understand the programming way to get the status of the validation. So this is the important note I did today. I know today, so I thought it will be helpful for someone. The one more thing, this option is not enabled by default. If if you want, you can enable, then you can use it. Otherwise, the default option will not be selected one. I'm using TI-19. I don't know about other version how they default they programmed. If you are using, okay, example, if you go to another existing site, they are used this option, then means the bit 0 will be the validation bit for the partner side. Same way, they can use bit 0 as a validation of your side. Okay, so both sides we can use bit 0 as a validation of signal from the partner side. Okay, I think this will be interesting. I thought it may be interesting for someone or a good learning for someone, so I just shared, guys. Thank you, have a nice day, guys. See you soon. Bye.